Hi, I'm Steve Haston, Foundation Director for the Academy of Model Aeronautics. I have the privilege this week of being here at the International Aero Modeling Center because MultiGP is taking place. So yesterday I was out on Site 1 and I met Charlotte Wilson here, who's one of the competitors in MultiGP, and she was crushing it, basically. She's beating a lot of people out there. So I wanted to talk to her a little bit and get some information from you on how you're helping to shape the hobby of MultiGP. You're members of the AMA. So Charlotte, thanks for coming out here and joining us in the museum. These are some of the past drones that led the way to what you're able to do now. But just give us a little bit of information about it.
Yeah, thank you, Steve. It's honestly an honor to be coming to International Open. This is my third year in a row coming to International Open. Fairly green pilot, but my husband has been racing for many years. He actually got me into the sport. But we are chapter organizers for our home chapter, the Western Carolinas FPV back in Western North Carolina. And so just coming here and seeing it on a larger scale and how many pilots come. We race every week back home, but there's only maybe 10 of us at most on a weekly basis. And I personally am the only female pilot back home in my area. So being able to come here to International Open and get to race against other female pilots, but it's still such a small scale. So I think last year they had probably about 300 pilots come to International Open, and 8 of them were women.
Yeah.
So we definitely need to have more women involved.
Need more
in
women
the
in
sport.
here, yeah.
My first experience, like on a big scale drone event, was International Open 3 years ago. And women's finals was what really motivated me to get better and improve.
Yeah.
Because it was all 8 of us. We were on main stage.
Yeah.
Everybody was there cheering us on, and we were just incredibly supportive of each other.
Yeah.
And I think one of the female pilots was a little bit slower. It took her a little bit to get through and finish, but that happens when we're all, just starting out. But we all sat there patiently and waited, and then as soon as she made it through the start-finish gate, we were all cheering her on. So just that camaraderie, it's across the board. Through MultiGP, through all the chapters. We're all here to support each other. We're kind of like extended family in a way, especially when we come out here to International Open and get to see each other for a week at a time.
That is awesome. I mean, my little baby girl, granddaughter, she flies model airplanes with me, but she also flies some multi-rotor stuff too. But I want her to be active in the hobby. I've been in it for 40 years. So, but you also, you and your husband own a company that is helping to shape that as well.
Yeah, so I'm the Chief Operating Officer of 533. My husband is our sales and warehouse manager. So we are providing the parts that pilots need to be able to get the top tier quality drones to be able to compete at a large scale on the national level. So the co-founders of the company, Eben Turner and Armando Gallegos, one's a Boeing engineer. The other one was a world champion. Eben Turner's a world champion drone pilot. So they just wanted to come together and do something purely out of the love of it. And that everybody that works for 533, that we do it because we love it to do it. So we only sell what we would fly. What we put in our own drones, that's what we build our drones with, and just being able to provide that.
Nice. Well, thanks for coming. Now, you told me you're crushing it out there. You're in the lead right now.
Well, so my husband and I like to joke. We always are racing against each other. In the 3 years that we've been flying together, I used to be the group below him. Now I'm in the same group as him. And we actually had our group race yesterday, and I got second place overall, and he didn't even make it to the finals. So it's just really, he's been incredibly supportive, and he's the reason why I am in this hobby. I had no idea that the world of drone racing existed before I met him. So it's been amazing. Yeah.
Nice. Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Steve.
And we'll see you next time on an edition of the field trips that we take and get to meet pilots and AMA members, and just happy flying.